This is why you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on that one hair. I have made it my own personal mission lately to find affordable hair tools, not only just with affordability, but I also want quality. And I am definitely happy to say that I found both with this tool. This tool comes with 5 different attachments for under $60. Also, let's take a moment for how beautiful the color of the tool is. It's 5 different attachments for under the price of one. And on top of that, you're getting beautiful, long-lasting curls. This tool is powerful, it's versatile, and it's a perfect example of why you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on one hair tool. If you're gonna get it, definitely go get it now while it's on sale for under $60. I'll tag it below.